Every fantasy league has one person doing unpaid administrative work. They set the league up, they chase the dues, they answer the question nobody wrote a rule for, and once a year they host an event for 12 people. Your platform does none of that. It scores the games, and it is silent on everything that actually causes a fight. This kit is the other half of running a league, the governance half, printed and ready to fill in. 17 pages in 3 groups, 6 that govern the league, 6 for draft day, and 5 for the season itself. Every one of them ships twice, as a fillable PDF and as an editable Word file. This is the part that makes the kit worth having. 24 disputes every league eventually runs into. The forgotten lineup. The team that stopped playing and still has an elite roster. The eliminated manager who traded his best players to a contender. The keeper who went undrafted. Each one gives you the 2 or 3 defensible ways to rule, and then the thing nobody else tells you. What that ruling commits your league to the next time it happens. Plus a line of precedent wording ready to paste into your log. 4 reference tables have the arithmetic already done. What your prize pool actually pays out at every common league size and dues level, under 3 payout structures. Auction budget math, including the maximum legal bid that almost nobody tracks. Every pick number for every seat in a 12-team snake draft. And what a keeper costs in year 3, under 3 escalation rules, which is the table to read before you choose a keeper rule rather than after. The Constitution runs to 13 sections, and it includes the 4 clauses leagues always skip. What happens to a team that stops setting a lineup? What the commissioner is not allowed to decide alone? What counts as collusion? And what is simply a trade you dislike? And how the rules themselves get changed? They get skipped because writing them implies distrust. They are also, without exception, the 4 that end leagues when they are missing. Draft day gets its own kit, a landscape wallboard with the snake direction already printed beside each round, so nobody writes an even round the wrong way and recopies 12 cells. A sheet of cutout team labels, and the run sheet for whoever is hosting, covering the week before, the hour before, and the 10 minutes afterward that everybody forgets. If you run an auction, there is a board for that too, with the column nobody tracks. Maximum bid, your remaining budget, minus 1 minimum bid for every roster slot you still have to fill. Spend tells you what already happened. Maximum bid tells you what can still happen, and it is the only number that changes how you nominate. Through the season, there is a calendar that names the reminder that has to go out before each deadline. A trade log that records the trades that did not happen as well as the ones that did. A precedent log which becomes your league's own case law. And a wall sheet for the whole season on one landscape page. And then the record book. Champions and runners-up, the all-time records, the season superlatives, the punishment roll with a column for the evidence, and a page for league lore. 8 people in a group chat become an institution the year somebody finally writes down who won, who finished last, and what they had to do about it. The guide shows you how specific a clause has to be by filling in the 3 that leagues write most vaguely for an invented league, with the typed words marked so you can see exactly which are yours. The rule generalizes to every page in the kit. A blank filled with a fact settles something later. A blank filled with an adjective does not. There is also a printable router. 33 moments a league actually runs into, each pointing straight at the page that covers it. Print that one first and keep it at the front of the folder. Every page is a fillable PDF and an editable Word document. Click a highlighted field and type, or print it and fill it in by hand. Open the Word file to change the wording, delete a clause that does not apply, or add rows to a table. The documents carry no branding at all, so once your league ratifies them, they are your league's own. It is sport neutral on purpose. Football, basketball, baseball, hockey, or a league you invented. The settings sheet carries the common scoring formats for all 4 side by side. There are no player names and no team names anywhere in it, because both change every year and neither belongs in a template. It is an instant download from Ardent Workshop. Buy it once and keep it. No subscription, no account, and no app that gets discontinued between one season and the next. Next August, it is still on your drive, and the record book still has every champion in it.